Welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the SHAKA ZULU gaming mouse from White Shark. And here it is. So as you can see, mouse design on the front there, packaging on point as always from White Shark. Okay, you can see some information on the back there, a bit more information on the side. Got obviously the brand name and everything on there. And when you open the front of the box, you can also see a bit of information about where the name came from and then the mouse itself in there. So we're going to open the box up, take a little look at it. Okay, so we've got the SHAKA ZULU. So as you can see, nice branding again as previously mentioned. You've got your points on the front here, so you've got 7D, 7 buttons, 4800 DPI, USB 2.0, 7 colour LED. Okay, tells you to open there on there as well. Let's have a look around the box though first. Okay, so what we got here, high precision scroll wheel with enhanced grip, forward and backward buttons, shockproof design for increased durability, and then customized mouse with 4 4-gram weights. Cool. And then on the back there, a lot more information, a lot more detail. So the specifications, let's run through them quickly. So mouse type 7D, 7 buttons, chipset Instant A724, interface USB 2, sensor type optical, resolution 1000, 1600, 2000, 2400, 3200, 4800, adjustable. Track speed 60 IPS, acceleration 15G, keys lifetime over 10 million times, software, yes, illumination 7 colours, cable length 1.8 meter braided, dimensions 128 by 80 by 35 mil, weight in grams 140 by 4 by 4G with weights, compatibility Windows 7, 8, 10 and Mac OS, colour black and silver and material plastic. Okay, so product manufacturer tells you a bit about them down there, and then importers and so on down the bottom there. It's got the White Shark website there, whiteshark.biz, and then over here is the actual mouse itself with the different things that it's got. So scroll wheel, obviously, right button, left button, forward button, back button, ergonomic design, shockproof design, 7 colour LED illumination with the logo there. There's the weights, and then yeah, DPI up and down button on the top there as well. Cool. Okay, so let's pop the front open. So as previously mentioned with White Shark, they like to give you a bit of information about where the name came from. So this particular one, called the SHAKA ZULU, is the leader of the Zulu Kingdom from KwaZulu Natal, 1787 to 1828. Okay, then some obviously social links on there as well, joining the White Shark family, and obviously a picture of the SHAKA ZULU there. And then we've got the mouse over here. So what we're going to do is pop the box open and get the mouse out of there. Okay, so there we are outside of the box. So as you can see, nice smooth flat design on the bottom there, so it glides across the surface as well, which is nice. Buttons, roller wheel button, DPI buttons, forward and back buttons, and that's about it really. So I'll just quickly plug this in to the USB so that we can see it lit up. And there we go, you heard the sound of it connecting to my computer as well. So there we go, we've got the White Shark logo lighting up on the back there. Yeah, which obviously changes colour as well. You see the lights glowing through the actual body of the mouse as well. So yeah, all in all, for a budget gaming mouse, I think it's very nice. It's good build, nice colours. The logo's great. I do like the White Shark branded, it's very nice. And that's about it for a mouse. So links will be below. Drop a like if you like the video. Put a comment below if you'd like me to answer any questions or if you want any more information, etc. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.